Mix it with water and wipe the window frames. Forget about yellow stains. From now on, your windows will be the whitest on the block. Grab a bowl and pour in a liter of warm water. Take some baking soda or baking powder from your kitchen cupboard and add it to the water. It's a great, natural whitener that works perfectly on plastic surfaces. Add a bit of dish soap, too. It cuts through grease and lifts dirt easily. Mix everything together. Then I take a sponge and simply wipe the frames. No scrubbing, no effort. The baking soda gently whitens and removes old stains. This trick not only cleans, but also protects the frames from future buildup. I wash them once, and they stay clean for a long time. Try it, and see how your window frames become snow white again. It's such a simple hack, yet it works better than expensive store-bought cleaners. No more yellow spots. Just a clean, bright finish thanks to a mix of 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Your neighbors will definitely start asking what you use to clean your windows. And then you can share the secret to brilliantly white frames that last for years.